Big political development from the BJP quarters, ending months of speculation. Former Karnataka Chief Minister and KJP Chief B.S. Yediyurappa has merged his party with the BJP. And this controversial merger comes ahead of the big national elections, when the BJP is trying to make prospects better for Narendra Modi in the southern bastion.
Flanked by those who were once perceived as his bitter rivals, KJP chief and former Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa walking out. And after a 1.5-hour long closed-door meeting came this announcement.
We have decided to merge KJP with Bharatiya Janata Party. All formalities will be over within 3-4 days. We are going to, together we will work for to win more than 20 seats, Lok Sabha seats.
Yediyurappa, who rebelled against his party and deserted it in a hurry, is now back with the BJP. But there will be no red carpet and no position given just yet.
Shri Yediyurappa ji, who is one of the builders of Bharatiya Janata Party in Karnataka, former Chief Minister of Karnataka, later had formed separate party KJP. He has decided to merge his party with Bharatiya Janata Party. This strengthens Bharatiya Janata Party.
And he too can't call the shots immediately, with the message from the top brass clear that he will have to work his way up.
We are going to, together we will work for to win more than 20 seats, Lok Sabha seats, and also according to all people are expecting that Narendra Modi should become the Prime Minister of India. For that, day and night we are going to work from today onwards.
But the Congress training its guns against the BJP for the decision to induct a scam-tainted former Chief Minister.
This may be the policy of Narendra Modi to fight corruption with the help of corrupt people. A number of corrupt ministers are there in Mr. Modi's cabinet. One of them is convicted by the court, but even after that, that minister is still continuing in Mr. Modi's ministry. So this may be the policy of Mr. Narendra Modi to fight corruption with the help of corrupt people.
The speculations over his return had begun since the time he openly declared support to Narendra Modi after his anointment as BJP's prime ministerial nominee. Hit hard in the Karnataka elections held last year, the BJP has realized Yediyurappa is needed to strengthen the party base for 2014.
We have to complete some formalities, and that formality has to be completed and taken up by KJP, erstwhile KJP President Shri Yediyurappa ji, and he has said that he will do it at the earliest, as soon as possible.
He was largely credited for bringing BJP to power to form its first government down south in Karnataka in 2008. And the party knows he's needed. But what will the move cost this time?
After much speculation, the much-awaited reunion of BSY and BJP has finally come about. With this, the party hopes to perform well enough in the Lok Sabha polls to strengthen Modi's chances of becoming the Prime Minister. But on the other side, the opposition in Karnataka asserts that this development would work detrimentally than otherwise. In Bangalore with Vittal, Nikhil Joshi, Times Now.